hope you all are fine and doing well and safe at home. Children, I hope that you people are studying all your classwork, homework, and your books. Are you reading? Okay. Now, children, today in the last video we saw about the apple tree and the farmer. So, in today's video, we are going to see the question and answers for the lesson. So, all of you open your books and your classwork note. Now, turn your books to page number 128. Have you all opened, Ma? English, when you see that there is English video, you as soon as you get the notice or when you open your phone and sit for studying, you first see what all subject videos has been come and keep the books and notes ready besides you உன் பக்கத்தில் அந்தந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் இப்போ மேக்ஸ் இங்கிலீஷ் தமிழ்னா மேக்ஸ் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் புக் தென் இங்கிலீஷ் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் புக் தமிழ் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் புக் எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து என்ன செஞ்சோம் எடுத்து பக்கத்தில் வச்சுக்கிடணும் ஸோ ஆஸ் வி ஃபினிஷ் த as you finished one subject you can take out the class work of the other subject அப்போ அங்கே இருந்து எல்லாத்தையும் ரெடியாகவே எடுத்து வைக்கலாம் மேம் சொல்லதுக்குள்ளே எல்லாம் ஓப்பன் பண்ணி நீங்கள் வச்சிடலாம் do you understand okay so this is how you must learn to manage time நேரம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணாமல் எப்படி வேலை பார்க்கணும் இப்படி தான் படிக்கலாம் okay now the next read the following statements say true or false read the following statements say true or false. The first one. The farmer had spent his childhood playing under the tree. True or false? True. It is true. So write there true. The farmer felt the space could be used to build a house. True. False. Because he did not want that space to be built a house, but he wanted that space to plant some vegetables இல்லையா அந்த இடத்துல ஏதாவது காய்கறிகள் வைக்கலாம்னு சொல்லி தான் ஆசைப்பட்டார் the apple tree requested the farmer not to cut it false all the little animals were happy about the farmer's decision false the apple tree was home for all the little animals true so the first one is true. Second one, false. Third one, false. Fourth one, false. And the fifth one is true. Have you all written the answer, ma? Okay. Now turn your book to the next page. Identify the speaker. Identify the speaker. Please do not cut the tree. The farmer's daughter and her friends. Okay, so right there, the farmer's. Do one thing. Write it in the class of work. Instead of identify the speaker, you write who said these words. Who, come on, said these words. WHO, who, SAID, said, THESE, these, WORDS, words. Okay, now copy the first question. Please don't cut the tree. Please don't cut the tree. Answer. The farmer's daughter and her friends. Full stop. The farmer's daughter. Spelling of daughter. 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 And her friends. Full stop. And her friends. Full stop. Question number 2. You can enjoy, copy from the book ma, follow as I read. You can enjoy the shade when you become old. When you become old. Answer. Who said these words? The farmer's daughter and her friends. Copy from the first answer. The farmer's daughter and her friends. The third one. Copy from the book. I promise that I will never cut this tree. I promise that I will never cut this tree. Now who said these words? The farmer. Who said ma? The farmer. Okay. So the next one, choose the right option. This you have to do in your book itself. Okay ma? This do it in your book. Okay. First one, the animals became worried because. Why were the animal worried? எதுக்கு அவங்களாம் கவலையோடு இருந்தாங்க? Because there was heavy rain. மழை பெஞ்சுது அதனாலயா? The farmer began to chop the tree. விவசாயி மரத்தை வெட்ட ஆரம்பிச்சாரு அதனாலயா? The farmer chased them away. விவசாயி அவங்களெல்லாம் விரட்டினான் அதனாலயா? The tree became old. மரம் வயதானது அதனாலயா? Another answer. The farmer began to chop the tree is the correct answer. So tick the answer in B. The next one. The farmer's daughter and her friends came out because. Why did they come out? Farmeruடைய மகளும் அவளுடைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸும் எல்லாரும் விளையாடிட்டு இருந்தவங்களாம் ஓடி இங்கே வந்துட்டாங்களே. ஏன்? வை? தே வாண்டட் டு ப்ளே அண்டர் த ட்ரீ. மரத்துக்கு கீழே விளையாடுறதுக்கா? தே ஹர்ட் த கமோஷன் ஆஃப் த க்ரீச்சர்ஸ். இல்லை அந்த மிருகங்கள்லாம் சத்தம் போட்டுட்டு இருந்தது கேள்விப்பட்டு வந்தாங்களா? த ஃபார்மர் கால் தெம். இல்லை விவசாயி கூப்பிட்டாரா? இல்லை தே ஹர்ட் த ஃபார்மர்ஸ் வாய்ஸ். இல்லை விவசாயியோட சத்தத்தை கேட்டு வந்தாங்களா? மிருகங்களுடைய சத்தம் இல்லையா? ஸோ பி, தே ஹர்ட் த கமோஷன் ஆஃப் த க்ரீச்சர்ஸ். The third one. The farmer promised that he would grow more trees. விவசாயி ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ணார், வாக்கு கொடுத்தாரு. என்ன வாக்கு கொடுத்தாரு? இன்னும் நிறைய மரங்களை நடுவேன்னு சொல்லியா? இல்லை ப்ரொவைட் ஷெல்டர் டு ஆல் த லிட்டில் அனிமல்ஸ். எல்லாம் சின்ன பிராணிகளுக்கு நான் இருக்கிறதுக்கு வீடு கொடுப்பேன்னு சொன்னாரா? இல்லை நாட் கட் த ட்ரீஸ். இல்லை மரம் வெட்ட மாட்டேன்னு சொன்னாரா? இல்லை பி தேங்க்ஃபுல் டு த சில்ட்ரன். இந்த சின்ன பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு நன்றியோடு இருப்பேன்னு சொன்னாரா? ஹி செட் ஹி வில் நாட் கட் த ட்ரீ. அப்படின்னா நான் மரத்தை வெட்ட மாட்டேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். ஓகே. ஸோ த ஆன்சர் சி இஸ் த ரைட் ஒன். ஸோ புட் அ tick mark over there. Now children, you have to copy, say true or false in your okay, don't copy, I spare you. Now the next one, question number D. Read the passage and answer the following. Read the passage and answer the following. Now we are going to read the passage, so listen carefully. In the passage lenda ungalku questions kekapattirukku, so you have to be careful. All of a sudden the farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. It was an apple. So all of a sudden the farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. It was an apple and looked as delicious as the ones he ate as a boy. He plucked it and bit into the juicy fruit. The memories of the fun he had as a boy came rushing back when his daughter saw the changed expression in her father's face. She started pleading harder. So, already we have seen this in the lesson, right? That when the farmer saw the fruit hanging on the tree, it looked very delicious, and he plucked one and ate it, and it was very juicy. When he ate the juicy apple, he remembered his childhood, how he played around the trees with his friends, how he swung on the tree, and every little things that he spent times under the tree was remembered by him. Yeah. And her daughter took this chance, right? Daughter took this chance, and she asked her father by pleading. Kenji, what did she say? Please daddy, please father, let this tree be here. இந்த மரத்தை வெட்டாம பார்த்துடுங்க இல்லையா? Okay, so now the questions regarding the sentence, regarding the paragraph. What did the farmer notice? So what did the farmer notice? The farmer, the first line, can you see? The farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. So write the question. Actually, this you have to write the passage first. All of a sudden, the farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch, and all. Actually, you're supposed to write the passage, but no need. You just copy it in your classwork. The question: what did the farmer notice? What did the farmer notice? So, what did the farmer notice? I hope you would have finished writing the questions, ma. The first one. Sorry, children, excuse me, I'm sorry. What did the farmer notice? The answer: the farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. Copied from the passage. The farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. The farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. The farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. Okay, now copy the next one. What made him recall his childhood? What made him recall his childhood? Copy the second question. What made him recall his childhood? So, recall means what, ma? ஞாபகப்படுத்துறது, திரும்பியும் எல்லாம் ஞாபகத்துக்கு வர்றது தான் ரீகால். திரும்பியும் ஒருக்கா அது சொல்கிறதோ ஞாபகப்படுத்துகிறதோ செய்கிறதோ இதுதான் ரீகால். ஸோ எது அவனுக்கு எல்லாம் அவனுடைய சிறு வயதை கொடுத்து ஞாபகப்படுத்துச்சு? when he plucked it and bit into the juicy fruit. ஸோ அந்த ஃப்ரூட்டை பறித்து சாப்பிடும்போது தான் the memories of the fun he had as a boy came rushing back. இல்லையா? So the answer is the juicy fruit of the tree, the taste of the juicy fruit. The taste of the juicy fruit the taste, T-A-S-T-E, taste of the juicy fruit of the tree made the farmer made the farmer recall his childhood? So, your main answer is the taste of the juicy fruit of the tree. The taste of the juicy fruit of the tree made the farmer recall his childhood. Now, the last question, why did his daughter start pleading? Pleading na kenjirathu. Pleading na kenjirathu. Why did his daughter start pleading? The answer is the last line. Can you see? The changed expression, the changed expression on the farmer's face, on the farmer's face. Sorry, in the farmer's face, not on, in. The changed expression in the farmer's face made her daughter, made, M-A-D-E, made her daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter, to plead, P-L-E-A-D, plead, P-L-E-A-D, plead harder, H-A-R-D-E-R, harder, made her daughter to plead harder. Okay. Now the next one, go to the next page. Page 130, question number E. Rearrange the jumbled sentences. So you can see the answers over here. Sorry. Just mark it down. The first one is 5. Second one is 6. Third one is 8. Fourth one is 3. Fifth one is 7. Sixth one is 1. Seventh one is 4. And the eighth one is 2. So what happened first? The farmer had an old apple tree in his garden. Then he spent all his childhood playing under the apple tree. Then he decided to cut the tree thinking that it was useless. And then all the little animals in the tree pleaded with him. Then he did not listen to their cries. The farmer continued cutting the tree. The taste of the apple brought back his childhood memories. His childhood memories made him realize his mistake. Okay, so these are the answer. Now going to the next one. Which part of the story do you like? Why? So copy this question in your classwork. Which part of the story do you like? Why? Can you see the answer, ma? Copy it quickly. I like the part of farmer's childhood days. I like the part of farmer's childhood days. I like the part of farmer's childhood days. Full stop. Sorry, no full stop, ma. With the apple tree. With the apple tree. With the apple tree. As a boy, comma, as a boy, the farmer and his friends, the farmer and his friends played under the, played, P-L-A-Y-E-D, played under the apple tree, full stop. Played under the apple tree, full stop. They played hide and seek. They played hide and seek, H-I-D-E, hide, S-E-E-K, seek, around the tree, around the tree, full stop. They climbed the tree, they climbed the tree, C-L-I-M-B-E-D, climbed the tree, and sung on it, swung, S-W-N-G, no? On it, and in season they plucked and ate the apples, and in season they plucked and ate the apples, and in season they plucked and ate the apples, full stop. Like that, okay, that's it, ma. Full stop. See, swung, S-W-U-N-G, swung, S-W-U-N-G, swung. Okay, now the next question, da. What is the next question? If the little animals become homeless, what will happen? So copy the question. If the little animals become homeless, what will happen? If the little animals become homeless, what will happen? The answer: if the little animals become homeless, if the little animals become homeless, if the little animals become homeless, they will suffer a lot and die soon. They will suffer a lot and die soon. They will suffer a lot and die soon. If the little animals become homeless, they will suffer a lot and die soon. Now the next question. What made the farmer realize his mistakes? What made the farmer realize his mistakes? Come on, write the question quickly. What made the farmer realize his mistakes? The taste of the apple, the taste of the apple the taste of the apple brought back the childhood. The taste of the apple brought back the childhood memories. The childhood memories. The taste of the apple brought back the childhood memories. Full stop. Sorry, comma. It made the farmer. It made the farmer. It made the farmer realize his mistake. Realizes mistake. Realizes mistake. Realize. R-E-A-L-I-S-E. Realize. R-E-A-L-I-S-E. Realize his mistake. M-I-S-T-A-K. Mistake. Everything is there in the question. Now the next one. Steps to success. For each item, write the word that has the same relationship as the pair on the left. Okay. So children, this is very, very, very easy. Desert, dry. Valley, fertile. Okay. Valley is fertile. So now creeper, tendril. Tree, what is tree? Tree gives us flower, fruit, leaf, bough. Now what do you mean by bough? What do you mean by bow? Bow means